Question number 1. Damdama Lake is located in which state? Answer: Haryana. Damdama Lake is located in Haryana. Question number 2. Who authored the book Citizen and Society? Answer: D. Hamid Ansari. Question number 3. The man named as father of Indian archaeology is? Answer: Alexander Cunningham. Question number 4. Which country produces the highest production of opium? Answer: Afghanistan. Question number 5. Mahanadi River originates from which state? Answer: Chhattisgarh. Question number 6. The Nalanda University was founded by? Answer: Kumaragupta. Question number 7. Currency of Kyrgyzstan is? Answer: Som. Question number 8. World's first thermal power plant is started in which state? Answer: Andhra Pradesh. Question number 9. Who invented dynamite? Answer: Alfred Nobel. Question number 10. Dhalo is famous folk dance of which Indian state? Answer: Goa.